So you have to tell me how many faces, edges, and vertices. How many faces will be there, how many edges would be there, and how many vertices would be there?
Ma'am, this is a little bended, so it gave me this very good design.
Wow.
Just bended by itself, you know.
Have you made it correctly? How can it be bended?
It is correct only.
Alright. Okay, it is a little bit twisted.
Done. Can I say?
It just,
Alright.
yeah, ma'am, done. Now
So
it's
tell me, how many faces, edges, vertices?
Ma'am, 5 faces,
five faces,
8.
How many? 8 edges?
Yeah, 8 edges and 12 vertices.
No.
6 vertices.
6 vertices.
I made it.
That's not a triangular prism, Adam. Triangular prism will have a triangle. You have made a rectangular prism. Not to make a triangle.
7 edges.
No.
Wait, what?
Yes. Not 7 edges.
9 edges.
Not
9 edges.
9 edges. Just see carefully. Now, how 9 edges? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the top, and 7, 8, 9. So there are a total of 9 edges with us. Right? So we use 9 edges. And then we talk about the vertices. How many connectors we have used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you have made a use of 6 connectors, those are my 6 vertices. And as we said about the number of faces, there are 5. Alright, Adam, good. Right? So we are having 5 faces and 9 edges and 6 vertices.
Ma'am, you were asking if I have made it correct. I have made it correct. It is just moving like
I've
this.
seen to that, right? I've seen to that. Yours is moving freely in directions. Even mine can move in that case.
Mine is a flexible one.
Your connectors will get twisted like mine. I tried that. Mine got
So all of them are flexible because the connectors are twistable, right? Alright, Rehan.
Ma'am,
The first one. This is the one. This is what I made.
Alright. Good.
I don't actually know what the shape is called though.
Alright. So yeah, that's what you have connected so many of them. It looks like
which
just,
shape did you make?
he has not made any particular shape. It's just a pattern, I would say, that he has.
I can't see his screen.
So this is about the different attributes of 3D shapes when we talk about, right? So in the 3D shapes, when we are talking about all those polygons, when there are 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, all of those, and these 3D shapes, their faces, edges, and vertices.